input of particular document. We have to take care about entry criteria and then taking care about exit criteria. Now, if we just consider test cases as part of test cases, entry criteria. As part of the test cases, entry criteria. What is the document need to refer? For test cases, entry criteria. What is the document? Approved, approved test plan. The very first document taking care about approved test plan. After that, approved SRS. After that, approved FRS. After that, approved test scenarios. After that, what is it? Test case guidelines. After that, what is it? Test case template. Meaning of template? Meaning of template? Format. So if I'm taking with that particular one, we need to take care about that particular respective template. We need to understand how exactly we can take care about in preparing with or documenting these particular respective test cases here. So let's take care about in completing or in understanding these particular respective test cases. For that, we need to take care about that particular test case template. Meaning of the template? Meaning of the template? Format. That particular templates prepared by? Template prepared by test lead. Test cases prepared by? Test cases are prepared by tester. Test scenarios prepared by? Test scenarios prepared by tester. If I'm taking with test cases are prepared by tester, reviewed by, approved by test lead. So as a tester, we need to take care about in preparing that particular respective test cases. In that, we got take care about that particular template. We need to be taking care about that particular respective template. That particular template, we need to be mentioned that TC. Meaning of TC? Meaning of TC? Test case ID or number. Then we used to take care about TS. Meaning of TS? Test scenario ID or number. Then we got test design step. Meaning of test design steps? What is it? Steps to be followed. Steps to be followed to test particular functionality. We can say that steps to be followed to test particular functionality. Then you will be taking with input data, or we can consider the test data. Meaning of input data? Data to be used to test particular functionality. Data to be used to test particular functionality. Then we got expected result. Meaning of expected result? Result based on requirement document. Then we got actual result. Meaning of actual result? Result based on application. Then we got pass. Meaning of the pass? Expected result and actual result should be same. That we got considering the past. Then we got fail. Meaning of the fail, expected result and actual result should not be same. Then we got not executable. Meaning of not executable, what is it? Test cases which are not related to current execution. Then we need to take care about comments. Meaning of the comments, more information related to test cases. Then you will be taking with defect ID. Meaning of defect ID, ID of the defect or bug. So we need to be take care about in providing these particular respective steps here. So we need to be taking care about this particular template. According to this particular template, we need to document the test cases. For now, we are taking care about in documenting with test cases, which we can consider the test design. What is it? Test design. We can say that test cases, or we can consider the test design, and then taking care about in having with these particular respective step of actual result. From here, you need to be take care about. We need to be take care about in providing with test execution. This will be taking care about test execution. The one you will be taking with test design, and another one you will be taking with test execution. For now, are we taking care about design or execution? For now, are we working with design or execution? Taking care about test design. We need to take care about in designing. We need to take care about in designing that particular respective test cases. First, we'll take care about in designing that particular respective test cases. After that, in future, you will take care about that particular respective test execution. Okay. So now we can see that how exactly we can take care about in having these particular respective steps here. We need to be take care about in preparing with all the test cases according to that particular template. Even for the interview also, you can take care about. For the interview also, you can take care about in providing with that particular respective same template. Okay. Now, see that we used to be take care about in preparing with all the test cases according to this particular template. Just because of our easy sorry, just because of our easy understanding, just because of our easy understanding, rather than getting started from 3.1, we need to take care about in getting started with 3.2. We need to be take care about start with 3.1 only. The 3.1 related to 3.1 is related to new user registration. That particular 3.1 is related to new user registration. We used to take care about in getting started with 3.1 just because of our easy understanding. Just because of our easy understanding, rather than getting started from 3.1, we need to take care about in getting started with 3.2. That is what we need to take care about in having that particular respective test scenarios of 3.2 and getting taken care about and getting started writing the test cases. We need to take care about in writing all that particular test cases that will be continued. Test case number 9. We need to take care about that particular test case number 9. We used to take care about in providing that particular respective test case number 9 and taking care about that particular scenario. If I'm taking with the scenario, we need to take care about it. Previously, we done with that particular scenario. If we just look into that scenario, what is the scenario we done? Scenario number 16. That particular scenario number 16 that is related to text box functionality. That is what we written. For now, we just taking care about in testing that either we are able to enter the data or not. What about minimum characters, maximum characters, special characters, all that kind of test cases I will explain in further. How we can write, test cases for that particular functionality. How we can write test cases for minimum characters, maximum character, or taking with special characters. All those things also we can write it. That we will understand in further. So for now, we need to be take care about in mentioning that in writing these particular respective test cases here. You need to take care about. You need to be take care about in writing the test cases for this particular text box functionality. Okay. So after that, we got taking care about in providing that particular scenario number 17. What is the scenario number 17? What is the scenario number 17? Verify labels. The scenario number 17 mentioning that verify labels. For this, we need to write test case. Let's see that. What is the scenario number? Scenario number 17. Okay. Let's see that. Scenario number 17. Okay. Now, you need to take care about first step. What is the first step? What is the first step? Launch browser. As part of manual testing. As part of manual testing, it will become your favorite step. What will be your favorite step? Launch browser. That will become your favorite step. As usual, any test case, you have to take care about. Any test case, you have to take care about in writing the first step, mentioning that taking with launch browser. You need to take care about in mentioning that launch browser. After that, what is it? Enter URL. Okay. After that, what is it? Verify labels. Verify labels. Okay. Taking with test data. If I'm taking with test data, what is the test data? Test data. URL. Test data. Username, password. Is that you are entering that username? Don't be confused at all. The meaning of test data is the meaning of test data is the data you are taking care about to enter. For